Okay, good morning, happy Tuesday. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty, Scottsdale, Arizona. We are up in the North Scottsdale region today. We're at 10179 East Camelot Court in Scottsdale 85255. We've got a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and built by Camelot Homes in 2019. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I want to highlight it for you today. Sorry about the noise over there. Someone had a tree situation and they're chopping the hell out of it right now. So that noise will be gone as soon as the tree turns to splinters, and that should be relatively quick. So we've got 3,499 square foot. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, as I said, with a flex space. It's 12,244 square foot on the lot, with a pool to the front, and we've got hot tub to the back. And I was trying to make sure that we got the house covered here with no foot traffic through, but I've been waiting for an hour and there's too many people coming to see it, so I'm not gonna wait anymore. The house is too beautiful, too popular, and it's probably gonna sell very quick. We have mountain views. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. I apologize that the camera can't get how close the mountains actually are, but it's really pretty and private and super tranquil and quiet, with the exception of the pesky landscapers that are chopping up those trees. So anyways, I want to show you, there's this fake, I don't know, full grass. It's not fake grass. It's just not real. Beautiful pool. It's not a diving pool, of course. The pool's in the front of the house because the lot backs up to a golf course and there's not enough room to put a pool in the back. So you have it to the front. One way or the other, when it's 110 degrees, it's nice to have a pool front, back, sideways, upside down, whatever you can get. So here's a little area that's off of the living room that could be set up for a nice bistro area, and I love that. So let's go through the house and see if I can get this done in one pass, but I may have to break it up into 2 parts. All right. Front entryway, and I'll try to slow it way down because I've been getting some negative feedback that I'm moving too fast throughout the houses, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to get people sick. I want to get them interested to come see the house and buy it. That's what I want them to do. Fall in love with the house. So it's got really nice finishes, as you can see. This is the back area, mud room, I guess you want to call it. We don't really get mud here, but in the Midwest we do. Should it ever decide to rain in Scottsdale, we might get mud, I don't know. But it's all paved streets with beautiful pavers, so the idea of tracking mud through the house is not realistic. There's your water softener, water heater, exterior service door, extra tile and everything here. We've got it all. It's brand new. I don't see how it's gonna crack or anything like that, but if it did, you have replacements. In here, it's perfectly poured, everything's fine. I would pebble tech this thing out and have it just match the rest of the house, and it'd be awesome. Only thing that's missing, and it's not even a necessity, it's just that I'm a cosmetic kind of a guy.
And then, yeah, it's so private down here, so you really don't even notice that your pool's in front.
So we'll go into the kitchen.
Would that be the office potentially too?
Could be an office. Yep, they had it set up as a family room.
Just gonna stay here?
Yeah.
I like this chair.
Yeah, it just got staged yesterday.
Oh, this is staged.
Mm-hmm.
Who did it?
Danielle, and I think she works with Frank. I don't know that she's with,
A nice walk-in pantry.
I don't think she's with some of the other companies. She was really fast.
Beautiful soft closed drawers.
They do it today fast.
I love this room. This room is the best. But then you don't have an office if you make it like this.
Yeah, or you could do, a Murphy bed for a floor.
Nice dining room, looks over the pool. All right, we're gonna get more people, it's gonna get loud. That's okay, no problem. So these doors kind of block off the living room. Here's the main hangout room. It overlooks the golf course, which is awesome. Beautiful landscaping, love it. Then we'll go to the guest bathroom, bedrooms, and then we'll end up in the primary. So here's one of the guest bedrooms. Dedication sees dreams come true. Ain't it the truth? Ain't it the truth? Really nice color selections. Now we're going to the secondary bedroom here. Nice Berber style carpeting. Plantation shutters. Ensuite bathroom. Beautiful tile. And now we'll head to the primary. Well, before we do that, the laundry room serves as access to the bathroom as well. Awesome walk-in closet. Sorry, we're all crossing streams, yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay, and then this is the backyard, obviously. Sorry about all the traffic in there. We're having a broker open today, and it is so popular. Like I said, I was waiting for a while, and there was never a moment where there wasn't other people in the house, at least 5 or 10 people. So it's a good sign. We're trying to help the sellers sell this place as fast as possible. Not that there's any urgency that way, but when we take a house on, the best time to sell, as everybody knows, is within the first week to 2 weeks. That's the best time for offers to come in. Anything else, you're going to wait, and the price is going to suffer. And it drops dramatically month after month after month. So in these types of markets, as we're in now, which is a buyer's market, you don't want to be playing the game of timing the market or whatever. Nobody's timing the market. That's a falsehood. So the best thing to do is position it right, correctly, curb appeal, make it look great, price it according to the neighborhood, nothing outlandish, and get as many eyes on it as humanly possible and get your offer in and get it accepted. You play games, you're going to lose. Chances are. There's no unicorn that's going to fall out of the sky in 4 months and just magically take the house for your over market asking price. It just doesn't work that way, especially in a buyer's market. Anyways, that's my 2 cents for this. But I love this house, built by Camelot, very well respected. Again, the price point, $2.299. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,500 square foot. Thank you for watching.